WH questions and their functions in our sentences. They are used for different information, and if you want to ask about the information, you can use of them. Actually, the use of WH questions and they are known as information question. Information question. We use of them to ask about some clear information, and the use of their function word like words like how, where, when, why, and what. And they will have different functions. For example, we used of how to ask about the process of something, how how it will work, or how it will used, and how does it work. Where is about the place and commodity. We will use of this function word. When, about the time, about the date or month, year, and etc. Why is about the reason of something, the reason of the things. And what, we can use it for anything. The things, the name, the phone numbers, the specific information, you can use of what. About the activities and the different activities, different situations, and different specific occasions.